All right, here we are on day number 61, and we're just going to jump right into this. I got to try and start to make these videos here a little bit quicker. So we're going to come on over here. Token is doing awesome. It freaking pumped last night, guys. Well, I guess the last 2 days it's pretty much pumped here. And if I'm buying them all now, that's what I want to do, is buy them low, right? So yeah, I think that'll fill within the next couple days. If it breaks below this and we drop down here, as I said, that's awesome. That's great. Just means I can buy more for really cheap and get myself to 80-20. So yeah, I'm still working towards this, guys. Let's go. We're going to open up our Grok and we'll figure out our numbers and stuff. So we have to go into the other account. So switch accounts here. Go into this one. Hit next. The start of the video, I was like, oh, I'm going to make these videos faster. No, it doesn't look like it. Okay, so we're here. We're in our other account, and this is a trend line here I just had for the token. They're just, seeing like, oh, if it breaks this, then I can start to look at it again. So it did break it, so I can delete that. And yeah, we're going to shoot on over. We'll go to Bitcoin because that's what the bot's trading on. And it just did a trade right there. That's nice. Look in the wallet here. So that's what we got. So we have to get going with this thing here. Okay, so let's go. We'll go to, so we got 2263 in there right now. We're going to go to the transaction history page. We'll get yesterday. So I did a withdrawal commission there. So you can see, guys, my commissions have gone up almost $1 since this month, the start of this month, right? The daily commission there. So, just keep on plugging away, keep on promoting, and you'll get more people and they'll purchase the bots and stuff. And, you'll just make more commission there. Okay. So this was yesterday's profit. I am making my video today way later than I did yesterday, guys. I just got really busy this morning and with support and stuff like that. So, just didn't have enough time. And then finally, it's almost 2 o'clock now. It's 1:50. Yesterday's video I did at like 12 o'clock. So pretty much 2 hours, 2 hours ago, I did yesterday's video there, right? Okay. But 24 hours kind of thing, right? So let's look for our math we did yesterday so we can get our number. There we go. So we'll find that number. So, 4896 is this one. So we'll go 4896, 4896 06 minus this number here, 1872 was the withdrawal we did yesterday, like that. And then this will give us our number we need for the start. Okay, so grabbing my command here, popping this in here, grabbing this, putting this number here, and backspace. And then this number is this number, 4899.26. That's pretty easy. 4899.26. There you go. And then this is our profitability for today, which should be like real good, like pretty damn high. 0.45. That's pretty nice. So 0.45% today. And then we're going to go, I'll just do a withdrawal right now. So we had 22 something there. So yeah, the last trade it did was a losing trade. Anyways, doesn't really matter. We're going to do a withdrawal here. So 2103. So we can do what? Buy more cheap tokens, right? Guys? Okay, so here we go. So there you go. That's on its way over, and it'll show up here. It'll show up there, right? Okay, so let's go over here. We're going to go to trade history, and we're going to do the calculation. So we're going to go look for the 7th, and we'll figure out the win rate from yesterday, which should be on this page or the next. There it is right there. So we've got 2 trades on page 5. So we got to write that down. Page 5. Got 2 trades on there. Okay. And then we got to see what are winners and what are losers. So I'm just looking for the losers here. So this is a winner. This is a winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. And then this one is a winner. This one's a loser. So we got one loser. Okay. This one is a winner. This one is a winner. This is a winner. And then on to the next page. Winner, 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 winner. Okay. And then this shouldn't be too many losers on this day. So this is a loser here. So we got 2. And this guy is a loser. So that's 3. Yeah, normally if you find a loser, you're going to find like 2 on the same page. Winner, winner, winner. It was in a trade and then it closed the trade, right, as I'm making the video. So this guy here is a winner. This guy is a winner. Winner, winner, winner. And then we're looking for still the 7th. That's good. Winner, loser. So that's 4. And then winner, winner, winner. Next page is a winner, winner. It always messes me up when it's like 97 and 96 because I'm looking at these numbers here. And I'm like, holy shit, look at that loss. And then I'm like, oh no, it's 97,000 is the sell, not 96,000. Winner, 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 winner. And then the next page here should be the 6th on this one. Yeah. So we got just, is it in another trade right now? Because there's, oh no, remember yesterday's video? We had the open on the 6th and the close on the 7th. So we got to count this trade again in today's video because it is half of it was on the 7th and half of it was on the 6th. That's the first time I've ever seen the bot do that, guys, because it trades so fast. Like you can see this trade here is about 40 seconds, right? That trade. So this one is a winner and then this one's a winner here as well. So we've got 2 trades on page 12. Has 2 and then page 5 had 3, right? So we got to remember that. Okay, so from 12, we go back. So we go, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. Okay, and then we've got, 3 trades on that one. So this one's a 3, that one's a 2, is 7. So 7 times 5. So 7 times 5 is 35. Okay. There you go. 35 plus, so 35, I know this is really easy stuff, but plus 3 and then plus 2. And that's how many trades it did. Buys and sells. I know if you're a trader, you're thinking, well, those aren't, that's a buy and a sell. That's 2 trades actually. But yeah, so today would be an 80-day trade, yesterday would be 80 trades, guys, because it did 40 there, the buy and the sell together, right? Because that's how you have to calculate the loss, the win ratio, is by the buy and the sell, and then, of course, it trades long, so if the sell is higher than the buy, it means it's a winning trade, okay? And you just saw me go through all that, so it's like, okay, I understand what you're saying, okay? So now we have to get our new command down here to figure out our win ratio. We grab this number here, 40, and that's normally kind of the maximum amount of trades it's going to do is 80 trades in a day, so 40 buys and sells kind of thing. And then this one here, we had 4 losing trades. So this win ratio, guys, is probably going to be the highest I've ever seen in here, which is crazy. Like, think of that. It did 40 trades and had 4 losers, and you saw me go through all the data there, right? Like, this is crazy. It's going to be over 90%. It's nuts. Yeah, exactly 90%. So I've actually had one day that was above 90. I think it was 91 point something. But still, that is crazy. 90% win rate today. So that's it for today's video, guys. Just wanted to do that try and do it quick as I could. We'll refresh the page and see, because I think I saw it in a trade there. So yeah, I guess it either broke even or wasn't in a trade there. I have yet to see a minus here, because you guys know I reset this thing to 0 every day over this past, I think, 7 days. So over the past week, I reset it to 0, and I haven't seen it go minus, right? Because if I reset it, like do a withdrawal, and then it does a trade and that trade's a loser, it would be like minus like cents or minus $1 or something like that. I haven't seen it do that yet, and that'd be interesting to see. But just think about the profitability, 0.45% today. That's 100% my profits that I made. It had a 90% win rate today. You saw me do all the calculations and the math right in front of you. So think about things like that. It's pretty amazing. And you can compound and build this, right? If you don't want to do withdrawals. Like I'm withdrawing every single day, but you don't have to do that, right? So that's it. See ya.